This is Eric Tolman with a severe weather update. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 11 o'clock for parts of our metropolitan Detroit viewing area in southeast Michigan. And if you look just way to the west, past Howell, there's more of a severe thunderstorm watch that has been extended. So there are areas that are in the severe thunderstorm watch and other areas that are not. That means that you won't be hit by severe thunderstorms. So once again, severe thunderstorm watch in effect for the areas that are shaded in pink until 11 p.m. Potential threats will be small hail possible, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible, and frequent lightning. I'll have the very latest coming up tonight at 10. Stay tuned for possible warnings if issued.